Today's video is on compound angles. In today's video, we are going to find out the values of cos square 15 degrees minus cos square 75 degrees. And again, we have to find out the value of sine square 52.5 degrees minus sine square 22.5 degrees. So how to find these values? So here are the formulae, that is sine square a minus sine square b can be written as sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. And again, cos square b minus cos square a can be written as sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. And here, cos square a minus sine square b can be written as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Cos square b minus sine square a can be written as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So, in the first question, which formula is needed? So we have to find out the value of cos square 15 degrees minus cos square 75 degrees. So both are cos. See here, both are sine, both are cos sine, and again cos sine. So we need this one. So both are cos here. Cos square b minus cos square a is equal to sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So I am going to use that formula, that is in the solution cos square b minus cos square a is equal to, this is sine of a plus b into again sine of a minus b. When you compare with this, what is our b angle? 15 degrees, and what is our a angle? 75 degrees. Therefore, a is equal to 75 degrees and b angle is equal to 15 degrees. So, if I substitute the same thing, then this will be cos square. So this is cos square. What is b? This is 15. Cos square 15 degrees minus this is cos square 75 degrees is equal to, this value is the sine of a plus b. So what is a plus b? 75 degrees plus 15 degrees into sine of 75 degrees minus 15 degrees. Clear? So this value is nothing but 75 degrees plus 15 degrees into this value is 75 degrees minus 15 degrees. So what is 75 plus 15? So which is equal to 90 degrees into this value is 75 minus 15 is equal to 60 degrees. So sine 90 degrees is equal to 1 and sine 60 is equal to, this is root 3 by 2. Therefore, our final answer is root 3 by 2 is the answer. So for which value it is root 3 by 2? That is cos square 15 degrees. Therefore, cos square 15 degrees minus this is cos square 75 degrees is equal to, this is root 3 by 2 is the answer. So this is how we have to select the formula, that is cos square b minus cos square a can be written as sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So this is sine of a plus b is nothing but 90. Sine of a minus b is nothing but 60. Sine 90 is 1 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So in total, if I multiply, this will be root 3 by 2 is the answer. And the next question here is, so we have to find out the value of sine square 52.5 degrees minus the sine square 22.5 degrees. So how we have to select the formula? So I'll show you. So these are the formulae. So both are sines. Sine square. See here, if you observe, both are sine, both are cos. Cos sine combination and cos sine combination. So here both are sines. So we have to select this formula, that is the sine square a minus sine square b is equal to sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. See. So in the solution, so this is sine square a minus sine square b is equal to, this is sine of a plus b into, this is again sine of a minus b. So what is a and what is b? So a is nothing but 52.5 degrees. A is nothing but 52.5 degrees and b is equal to, this is 22.5 degrees. So if I substitute in the formula, so this will be sine square a is nothing but 52.5 degrees minus this is sine square b, that is 22.5 degrees is equal to sine of a plus b, that is 52.5 degrees plus 22.5 degrees into this is sine of 52.5 degrees minus 22.5 degrees. So this is nothing but sine of, this is 52.5 degrees plus 22.5 degrees into this value is a sine of 52.5 degrees minus this is 22.5 degrees. So if I add these two, this will be sine of, this is 70 plus 5, this is a 75 into this value is 30 degrees. So as you know that sine 75 degrees is nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, and sine 30 degrees value is nothing but half. So if I multiply the numerators, so this will be root 3 plus 1 and this is 2 2s are 4. This is 4 into root 2, and therefore we got the value of sine square 52 and half degrees minus this is a sine square 22 and half degrees is equal to this is root 3 plus 1 by this value is 4 root 2. So this is how we have to solve, and this is the second question, and this is a first question. So cos square b minus cos square a is equal to sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So we have to select that formula. And next one, sine square a minus sine square b is equal to sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So in this, a is equal to 52.5 degrees, b is equal to 22.5 degrees. If you add up for one time and subtract for one time, and these are the values, and this is how we have to solve. And hope you all guys understand. If you really understand, please practice and pass it on to your friends. And there are few more videos which is related to the compound angles. And soon I'll end it up and I'll go to the next unit. Thank you so much. Pass it on to your friends.